Hello friends, welcome to the channel The Learning Universe. Today we learn 20 water animals name in English. So let's start. This is crab. Crab. This is jellyfish. Jellyfish. This is octopus. Octopus. This is seahorse. Seahorse. This is cuttlefish. Cuttlefish. This is lobster. Lobster. This is crocodile. Crocodile. This is shark. Shark. This is frog. Frog. This is tortoise. Tortoise. This is turtle. Turtle. This is dolphin. Dolphin. This is whale. Whale. This is hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. This is blue whale. Blue whale. This is otter. Otter. This is seal. Seal. This is starfish. Starfish. This is ray. Ray. This is oyster. Oyster. This is apple snail. Apple snail. This is shrimp. Shrimp. These are penguins. Penguins. This is water snake. Water snake. This is eel. Eel. This is shell. Shell. This is giant water bug. Giant water bug. This is marine iguana. Marine iguana. This is sea pain. Sea pain. This is seahorse crab. Seahorse crab. Please like, comment and subscribe our channel. Keep watching for more videos. Thank you.